So let's just talk about JSX. So JSX stands for JavaScript XML, and it is commonly used in React to describe the user interface. So we can use the JSX and we can directly write the HTML elements inside the JavaScript, and we don't have to use the create element method or the append child method to create user interface. We can directly write HTML like elements inside the JavaScript to define the user interface. So here you can see we have the create functional component, and the component is returning the JSX, which looks like HTML, but this is JSX, and we can directly write JSX inside the JavaScript. Now we can do the same user interface by using the create element method of JavaScript. So if we just comment that out, so we're gonna return react.createElement, and this method takes 3 parameters. So first one is the element that we wanted to create. Second one is an object of props, so currently this will be null. And thirdly, the children. So because inside the div we have another h1, so we have to create another h1 element. So we have to write react.createElement, and inside that we have to create this h1. We're not gonna have any props for now. Third argument is the children. So here you can see we have this text welcome to React. So the children will be the string welcome to React. So here you can see, just to create this simple user interface we had to write a lot of JavaScript, and which is complex. Now suppose this way we have a lot of elements nested inside one another. So writing the same user interface using JavaScript can be nightmare. So it's better to use JSX, which makes our life a lot easier. So let's now talk about few of the advantages of using JSX in React. So first of all, in JSX we write HTML like syntax, which is readable and easier to understand, especially those who are familiar with HTML. Secondly, we can directly embed JavaScript inside our JSX by using curly braces. Like an example, so here is our JSX. So suppose we have one JavaScript variable with the value. Now we can use that variable directly inside our JSX by using curly braces. So here we can directly use the variable. So here you can see the value of x is printed right here. So we can easily embed JavaScript inside our JSX. Thirdly, we can easily pass data to components by using props. And fourthly, we can easily style our component by using the style attributes in camel case. So these are few of the advantages of using JSX in React. So that's it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care.